Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. Hope you enjoyed last week's recipe of the broccoli stir fry. If you haven't watched it, we highly recommend that you do. We're including a link to that video in the description below. Before we get into today's video, we would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you are notified when we upload a new video every week. In today's video, we will show you how to make an easy stir fry that uses two of our favorite ingredients, Spam and wood ear mushroom. Wood ear mushroom is a type of mushroom that is sold fresh in the produce section of the supermarket or dry. The dry version just looks like little strands, but after you soak them in water for 2 hours, they expand to these bigger pieces of mushrooms that go very well in stir fry, stews, and soups. Let's go over the ingredients that you'll need for this stir fry. You will need Spam, bell pepper, zucchini, onion, wood ear mushroom, minced garlic, ginger, black pepper sauce, soy sauce, and sambal. Let's cook. First, we're gonna add a little bit of avocado oil to the skillet to fry the Spam. Remember that Spam releases oil, so you don't need too much. Make sure the Spam is in a single layer in the pan so that everything cooks evenly, and fry until it gets lightly brown. Next, you will add the minced garlic and ginger. Mix thoroughly so the ginger and garlic infuses into the Spam. At this time, you will add the onion and cook until it becomes transparent. Now add the bell peppers. Cook for about a minute and the bell peppers will start to soften and the onions will caramelize. Next, you will add your zucchini and wood ear mushroom and mix thoroughly. The wood ear mushroom in this stir fry is great at absorbing flavor, and they give you a unique texture without getting too mushy. After a minute, you will add the sauce mixture and mix until it's well incorporated with the veggies. The sauce mixture would have the black pepper sauce, soy sauce, and sambal. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the veggies are cooked thoroughly. You will know when it's done when the zucchini is soft but it still retains its shape. For this stir fry, you will not need to add any more seasoning since the black pepper sauce is already very flavorful. Now we've shown you how to make a different type of stir fry at home. This dish goes well with steamed white rice or with any of the dishes that we have made in the past few videos. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. We would like to remind you to follow us on Instagram. We post our meals daily. If you would like us to recreate one of the meals from our Instagram feed, please let us know. Thank you for watching. Bye!